This is how to replace a Ford Territory uh, tail lamp or indicator lamp. There's a couple of screws here. You just remove the 2 screws. And then you pull the light backwards towards you. There's one pin that fits into that hole, and there's a little groove here that fits into that groove here, and there's also a bottom groove here that slides under the lamp as well. So this is the indicator lamp, and this is the brake light and the tail lamp, and this is the reverse lamp globe. So whichever one you want to replace, just twist the lever, pull the globe out, and replace it with a new globe. And before you put it back on, just make sure it all works okay. So you can put the globe in and then start the car and check it out. You follow the assembly process in reverse of how you took it back out. Just before you put the 2 screws on, just check out to make sure everything works okay. Beautiful, thank you.